Hey, this is Keith Everett. Do you keep running out of blog post ideas? Doesn't matter what niche you're in, this video is going to help you to have a never-ending stream of blog post ideas on tap, and you won't ever run out of blog post ideas again. So, what's the first idea? The first idea, books, right? This is the simplest, and to be honest, it's probably one of the best, and it's one that a lot of people don't use. Now, you've probably got books on your niche. So I'm in the kind of the self-development, the make money online niche. So I read books like this. This is quite an old book, but still full of good information. So here's what I do. Get the book of choice and look at the contents, okay? So here's the contents. So we've got 13 chapters. Now, 13 chapters can be turned into 13 blog posts, quite simply. And they've even done a really good job of providing you with the actual headlines. So although there's no keywords in these headlines yet, you can add them. But let's look at the first one. Believe you can succeed and you will. See, that's not a bad topic to talk about. So here's what we do. We go through the chapter. This is it. And we look for 2 or 3 subtopics that we're going to talk about. So as I'm reading through it, I might pick out something like this: how to develop the power of belief. So when I've got 2 or 3 subtopics, here's what I do. I just list them in order. So I've now got 3 subtopics. I've almost got my title, because my title is near enough the title of the chapter. Alright, with some alteration for keywords. So subtopic number 1, if I'm doing a video, I would talk about it for a minute. If I'm doing a blog post, I would write 200-300 words on that subtopic. Subtopic number 2, I would do exactly the same. And subtopic number 3, if there is one, you would do the same. That gives you a 600 to 900 word blog post, or a 3-minute video. So that is tip 1. So let's go over to tip 2. So this is tip number 2 for blog post ideas. We come to alltop.com. Now, alltop.com is a library of blog posts, and what we're going to do here is, whatever niche you're in, you simply come to the search bar here, and we're going to type in, let's say you're in the weight loss niche. I'm going to type in weight loss, press enter, and this will bring up this screen here. And we're going to, let's say you're in the fitness for weight loss niche. I'm going to click on that. And this brings up the most popular stories. There's 5 most popular stories today. And underneath, it brings us up around about 50 different blogs in the weight loss niche, okay, the fitness niche. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to use blog posts for our own ideas. So we can look at any single one of these blogs. If you are a mummy that's working out, you could perhaps, and you want to write about workout mummies, you can click on this and we can check out this person's blog here. And you can see the most current blog post is the ways of getting additional motivation for workouts. Well, you can use that headline idea to create your own headline. And then what we can do is we can use the blog post itself as a structure to our own blog post. Now, I'm not talking about copying people here at all. I'm talking about simply using their material to create a brand new blog post. So here's what I'm going to suggest to you. And this is a tip I gave a long time ago on how to create an article, 400-word article in 7 minutes or less. It's very simple. What you do is you take a person's blog post a paragraph at a time. So let's say we take this particular paragraph and then we copy, paste it over to a document, and then underneath we rewrite it in our own words. Okay, so I'll repeat that. We copy paste this paragraph onto a Word document or anything like that, text document, and then we simply rewrite it in our own words. And that will give us some very quick and easy content. Now, if we take each one of these paragraphs and rewrite them in our own words, we will very shortly have a blog post that is not only readable, but it's yours, it's in your words, and it's probably taken you between 7 to 10 minutes to write in, a 400 word article, right? So that's what we can do. That's how we get ideas from alltop.com, and that applies to any niche. Doesn't matter what niche you're in, whether you're in the make money niche. I'll just show you. Let's go to make money, see if that's on here. Okay, yeah, it gives you all these topics. Look, affiliate marketing, right? Blogging even, Let's pick affiliate marketing. We'll click on that. And here are the 5 latest blog posts from people writing about affiliate marketing. So you can do the same. You're never going to run out of ideas if you just stick to this formula. It's a real simple formula I've been using for years, and it works time and time again. Now let's go on to tip number 3. Tip number 3 is a very easy peasy one. It's just simple. Go to Google even, and then just type in, all right, let's say you want to write about multi-level marketing. Let's go MLM blog ideas, blog post ideas. All right, we're just typing that into Google, and you can see straight away underneath 10 amazing content ideas for your blog, 10 great blog post ideas, successful MLM blog content for newbies, 40 simple ways to never run out of blog content ideas, right? Why don't you write about how not to run out of blog post ideas, right? It's that simple. Now, while I'm here, if you found value in this post, this video, whatever way you're viewing this content, and you want to know really how you can make money online by creating content, then click the link above if you're watching this on Facebook. Now, click the link below if you're watching this on YouTube. There will be a button coming up right now if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I have tons of ideas and you'll be one of the first to know about them if you've hit that subscribe button. Also, come over to my blog and I'll have a ton of ideas on there too. Come over and like some of the posts, leave a comment and share. I'd really appreciate that. So I will see you in the next video. You take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.